Connecting a new device to your child's Schwab account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth setup. Step 1. Access the child's Schwab website or app. Open your web browser or mobile app and navigate to the child's Schwab login page. Ensure you have your login credentials ready. Step 2. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sr.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings or security settings section. Look for an option related to managing devices or security. Step 4. Add new device. Select the option to add a new device. You may need to provide details about the device, such as its type and name. Follow any additional prompts to confirm the addition. Step 5. Verify device connection. After adding the device, you may receive a verification code via email or SMS. Enter this code to complete the process and ensure your new device is successfully connected. Now you are ready to use your child's Schwab account on your new device. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.